Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by clutter or you've been waiting for the perfect motivation to clean and organize your home, today's video is exactly what you need. We're going room by room, transforming messy spaces into calm, functional, and beautiful areas you'll actually enjoy spending time in. You'll discover practical organization hacks, simple decluttering strategies, and budget-friendly storage ideas that make your home look cleaner and feel more peaceful. So grab your favorite drink, put on your cleaning gloves, and let's organize together. Home Chapter 1. Start with decluttering. The first step to an organized home isn't buying storage bins, it's removing what you no longer need. Go through each room and ask yourself one simple question. Have I used this in the last year? If the answer is no, consider donating, recycling, or discarding it. The less unnecessary stuff you own, the easier your home becomes to clean and organize. Remember, organization starts with simplicity. Basket Chapter 2. Organize one room at a time. Trying to organize your entire home in one day can feel overwhelming. Instead, focus on one room at a time. Finish one space completely before moving to the next. This approach keeps you motivated because you immediately see progress. Small wins create lasting habits. Fork and knife with plate. Chapter 3. Kitchen organization hacks. The kitchen is one of the busiest rooms in every home. Use clear storage containers for dry foods, drawer organizers for utensils, and stackable shelves inside cabinets to maximize storage. Label everything whenever possible. Not only does it look satisfying, but it also makes cooking faster and grocery shopping easier. A clean kitchen instantly makes the whole house feel more organized. T-shirt. Chapter 4. Bedroom and closet organization. A tidy bedroom helps create a peaceful mind. Use matching hangers, drawer dividers, storage bins, and underbed organizers to maximize every inch of space. Fold clothing vertically whenever possible so you can easily see everything you own. Keeping surfaces clear also makes the room feel larger and more relaxing. Couch and lamp. Chapter 5. Living room organization. The living room is where clutter often collects. Use decorative baskets for blankets, hidden storage ottomans for extra items, and cable organizers to eliminate messy wires. Style your shelves with books, plants, candles, and decorative objects while leaving enough empty space to create a clean, balanced look. Remember, less is often more. Bathtub. Chapter 6. Bathroom organization. Bathrooms may be small, but they benefit greatly from smart organization. Use clear containers, drawer inserts, lazy Susans, and vertical shelving to maximize storage. Keep only your everyday essentials on the countertop and store everything else neatly out of sight. A clean bathroom instantly feels more luxurious. Sparkles. Chapter 7. Daily habits that keep your home organized. The secret isn't organizing once. It's creating simple daily habits. Spend just 10 to 15 minutes every evening putting things back where they belong. Make your bed every morning. Wipe down kitchen counters after cooking. Never leave a room empty-handed. Always take something back to its proper place. These tiny habits prevent clutter from returning. And that's our complete home organization makeover. A clean, organized home doesn't have to be perfect, it simply needs to work for your lifestyle. Every small step you take today creates a more peaceful home tomorrow. Which organization tip are you going to try first? Tell us in the comments below. If this video motivated you to clean and organize, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more home organization ideas, decorating inspiration, and cleaning motivation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Home. Remember, an organized home isn't about having less, it's about making room for what matters most.